Welcome to Learn English in 5 Minutes. I am Teacher May, and in this video we will learn how to start a conversation in English with basic questions and answers. In just 5 minutes a day, you can improve your speaking skills, listening skills, conversational skills, and expand your vocabulary. Let's go. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I am good. Thank you for asking.
What's your name?
My name is Ben.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Los Angeles.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 3 siblings. 2 brothers and 1 sister.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to see a movie in my free time.
What's your favorite type of movie?
My favorite type of movie is comedy because I love to laugh.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is mac and cheese.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a tiger.
How was your day today?
My day was wonderful today.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I do.
What's your job?
I am a waiter at Burger King.
Do you like to read books?
No, I don't like to read books.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What type of dog do you have?
I have a golden retriever.
What's your dog's name?
My dog's name is Jack.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
What's your favorite thing to do in summer?
My favorite thing to do in summer is to go surfing.
Do you play any musical instruments?
No, I don't play any musical instruments.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook.
What's your favorite food to cook?
My favorite food to cook is pasta.
What's your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is jazz.
Do you like to play board games?
Yes, I do.
Do you have any favorite board games?
Yes, I have a favorite board game. It's Scrabble.
What do you like to have for breakfast?
For breakfast, I like to have eggs on toast.
Do you enjoy drinking coffee or tea?
Yes, I enjoy drinking both coffee and tea.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is apple pie.
Do you like to travel and explore new places?
Yes, I do.
What's your dream vacation destination?
My dream vacation destination is Bora Bora because of the beautiful beaches.
Do you have any upcoming plans or vacations?
Yes, I am planning to visit New York City next month.
Do you have any special talents or skills?
Yes, I can juggle.
What's something you've always wanted to learn?
I have always wanted to learn how to speak French.
What's something that always makes you smile?
Something that always makes me smile is seeing puppies because they're so adorable.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe so that you can learn English quickly and easily. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.